rather than, I think maybe if all are okay, we will just, I'll have a small demo. In the sense,
Yes.
I'll basically tell everybody, rather, heal everybody here. The healing which I will be imparting here would be predominantly, I will be releasing any 1 year of trauma which they may have experienced.
Right.
Being a group, so whatever the energies which I send out are basically going to release the trauma of a one particular year, which may be the worst year for them. So in this, they will experience certain releases. So I will request them to just keep a glass of water also around them after this healing, so that they can have keep themselves hydrated, because there may be a lot of releases of energies in this.
Great. Fantastic. You took the words out of my mouth, because it's not possible right now for us to like average the group out and go from here to womb. So thank you so much for this. There are a few thoughts and a few questions that have come in, uh, which I'll bring up after this. And Deepak, just very quickly wanted to ask you, are there any restrictions or precautions to be taken, like if somebody is pregnant, for example, can they receive this healing?
They can.
So it's safe. It's safe. We're safe right now.
100% safe.
Okay.
100%.
Fantastic.
There is no restriction in any circumstances, in any way you can receive it. These are very beautiful energies, and in fact you will experience them yourself. Just
Yes, absolutely. And I know all the cities are kind of quietened down, but just in case somebody is driving, is that okay? Should they just pull over?
Ideally, if he or she can pull it over, so they will experience it. Otherwise, it's not going to disturb their driving, in case that is happening.
Okay, fantastic. And this is going to be just as effective in the replay, Deepak?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
Take it away, Deepak. Tell us what to do.
So I would request all present to just close their eyes and take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in hope. Breathe out stress. Breathe in a lot of positive energies and breathe out all that is negative or less than cloud. Now breathe normally. I now will create a sacred space quickly around all of us. This will ensure that we are safe. I'm creating sacred space in everybody's home of all the people present. I manifest the 4 legions of light in the 4 corners of all the homes. Lord Melchizedek, Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, and Archangel Zadkiel are bringing up the 4 legions of light. Mother Konyan, Mother Mary, Goddess Isis, and Durga Maya are bringing the 4 legions of light and maintaining the yin and yang energies of all the homes. There's a canopy, Ganpati Bappa is bringing the central legion of light. There's a canopy of white light over us and a sheet of white light below us. Saint Germain, I call upon you with the violet flame of transmutation, each and every person in each and every home, all the living beings, all energies, positive or negative, are and will keep burning on violet flame 50 meters, all 6 sides till Friday night. All less than God energies will get transmutated into white light. Kali Mata, Bholenath, and Bajrangbali are there for our protection. We are in the lap of Mahatar Babaji. Now I call upon the spirit guide, guardian angel, and ascended masters of all the people present and who are experiencing this healing to help them, and even the record keeper to help them and make them aware. Also, I call the body elemental of all the people present who will make a note of all the changes that is being done in the particular year in which they've had the most traumatic experience, which the record keeper will bring it to their awareness, and the body elemental will make a note of all the changes, and the DNA will be revised accordingly. I call upon Lord Metatron to help me with this reading, come healing. And I call upon Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Zadkiel, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Samuel to send their energies, and the spiritual sun to send their energizing energies so that we can heal, release all the unwanted energies, or rather all the anguish which all the people on the group are carrying in that most dominant year, which is the most year with the maximum trauma. I'm scanning now all the energies of all the group members present. I'm making out a lot of anguish, a lot of trauma, a lot of fear, a lot of ambiguities. Trauma also. I am now releasing all the energies from that particular year, which is having the maximum trauma from all the people in this group. Releasing all, everything that is not serving the purpose, creating obstacles, creating speed breakers in the life of the respective person, respective individuals. Releasing everything that is making them sad, making them worry, giving them all less than God energies. Archangel Michael cut the cords and the blockages are burning in the violet flame. Releasing a lot. And Michael cut the cords and the blockages are burning in the violet flame. Now releasing, everybody is releasing. I can see avalanche of energies being released from this group. Some may have some heavy head, some may have some heaviness around their heart chakra, some around their stomach, some pain in the hands and some pain in the feet, depending on how they are releasing. Releasing some more spots in the blockages are burning oil. The releases are coming at a full pace. Cut the cords in the blockages are burning oil flame. All the blockages have been released from that traumatic year, and now I'm healing them with the green, white, golden, and the blue, violet, and pink light. The green light is the healing light, white is the purification light, golden is the energizing light, blue is the tranquility light, violet is the forgiveness light, and pink is definitely the unconditional love, which is given to all the people present on the group. The healing is being done now superbly. I can feel a lot of soothing effect, calming effect coming. And I request Lord Metatron and Lord Melchizedek to heal the whole group and release everything that has been released to the white light. I will send the releases all to the violet flame for transportation. Now the healing is complete, and as and when you are convenient, just rub your palms, take the energies in your eyes, hydrate yourself after opening your eyes.